Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're using Windows 11 installation assistant and if you're receiving this error, that is something went wrong, error code is 0x800-707F. So if you're facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to update and security and then click on troubleshoot, then click on additional troubleshooter and then select Windows Update, then click on run the troubleshooter. Now in case if you are using Windows 11, in that case you can go to system and there you will find troubleshoot option. Now once the troubleshoot is complete, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website and scroll down. Over here you can see download Windows Update Reset script for computers running Windows 10. Now this also works for Windows 11 computer. So click on this link and this will go ahead and download the zip file. So go to the download location and then make a right click on the zip file, then click on extract. So extract the folder, extract the zip file and then open this folder, and then you have to go ahead and run this bat file, that is wureset.bat. Make a right click, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and it will tell you to press any key on the keyboard. So press any key on the keyboard. So first of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will go ahead and restart all the Windows Update components, and after that you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 11. Now this process will take some time, so it may take a couple of minutes, so just wait for this process to complete. Now over here you can see it's restarting all the services now, and at the end it tells you to press any key to continue. So press any key on the keyboard. This will go ahead and close the command prompt, and then you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update your Windows. Now still you are receiving the error code. In that case you can go ahead and run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So first of all, go ahead and run this command, the first command, and then type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and then paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Now once this operation is completed successfully, you can go ahead and close this command prompt and then open Windows. You can go ahead and try to run Windows 11 Assistant, or you can go ahead and try to update Windows 11, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. But still you're facing the problem. In that case you can go ahead and run these two commands. So go ahead and type in cmd again, make a right click on command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and then you have to go ahead and run this command one by one. So paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once this scan is 100% complete, run the second scan, and once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11. Now in case if nothing is working, now this will definitely work. Now it has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So you can go ahead and try this, and I'm sure that this will work. So you can go ahead and copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Windows 11 website, and here you can see media creation tool. So click on download tool now. So once you click on download now, then run this exe file, and then you will see the screen. Click on accept, then by default Windows 11 will be selected over here. Click on next, and then over here go ahead and select ISO file, and then click on next, and then select the location where you want to save the file. So in my case I will save it to desktop, and then click on save. Now once the download is complete, you have to go ahead and click on finish, and then after that you can go ahead and come to the download location. So open the ISO file, make a double click, and then you have to make a double click on setup.exe file, and this will go ahead and load Windows 11, and it will go ahead and install Windows 11 on your computer along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time, so you can go ahead and click on next, and it will start the process. It is checking for update. So let the process complete. Now before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install. You will see this screen before the installation. Now on this screen here you can see keep personal files and app is checked over here. Now by default this is checked, So do not make any changes. By default, this will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So you can go ahead and click on install. And after the installation, you can go ahead and log into your computer and your Windows should be up to date. You should have Windows 11 installed on your computer along with the latest update, and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.